Hi, welcome, hello, and welcome to my channel, and welcome for another upload. If you are new here, my name is Tanya, and on my channel we do talk true crime daily, so if that's something that you're into, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you guys could, hit the like button, that way my channel can grow. It really does help, so I do appreciate you guys being here with me. I want to go ahead and get right into what we're going to be talking about today, and if you can't tell by the screen, we're going to be talking about the lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Daybell. Lori and Chad Daybell is who we're going to be discussing today. So I want to go ahead and just let you guys know that they have severed. The judge decided to sever the cases between these two defendants, and now they will actually be tried separately. This couple, if you don't know about them, they were charged with multiple counts of first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder for the deaths of 7-year-old Joshua J.J. Vallow and 16-year-old Tylee Ryan. Those were two of Lori's children, along with Chad's previous wife, Tammy Daybell. The separation in the trial comes as a result of new DNA testing, which was just given to all parties involved in the criminal case. Since the results came back so close to the April 3rd trial date, the defense attorney for both Chad and Lori felt there was too little time for additional testing to be done on the sample. So Judge Boyce, the judge in this case, said that because the evidence was not given to the defense by the state in a timely manner and Lori has refused to waive her right to a speedy trial, he felt there was no option but to sever the cases. So since Lori, she refused to waive her right to a speedy trial and Chad wants a speedy trial, they're going to go ahead and I'm sorry, I said that opposite. I'm sorry. Since Chad decided that he doesn't want a speedy trial and she said she does want a speedy trial, she's going to go ahead and start April and he will be going after her and sometime after her. So Boyce said that he says, I have to balance these rights of these defendants in this case. Severance is the only option I can see. He also expanded on the consequences of the severance, saying Chad's trial date could be scheduled as far out as 6 months from now. So length of the delay, if I were to continue this, it would be up to Ada County, he said. And he said, I don't believe it could be a short delay. It would have to be more than 6 months additionally. So Thursday's hearing was a continuation of a discussion that began at a hearing on Monday regarding the new DNA evidence, which is a hair that was found in the crime scene. During Thursday's hearing, Lori appeared in person and Chad appeared via Zoom because he was in jail. So with that being said, I do want to tell you guys, I just want to show you guys a video that'll kind of just, back up kind of what I was saying, and it might give you guys a little better understanding as well. If you guys want me to go more in depth with this, I can. In this case, I have done a timeline on this case, but I can do a more of a story format. If that's something that you're interested in, just drop that in the comments below and I will make sure to do that for you guys.
A judge decides to split the trial of Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell. He made the decision after new DNA evidence was disclosed this week. Eyewitness News 3's Seth Ratliff attended today's court hearing.
Chad and Lori Daybell are now being tried separately. The Daybells are charged with conspiracy and murder for the deaths of Lori's children, J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, and Chad's previous wife, Tammy Daybell. The couple was in court today for an emergency hearing to review new DNA evidence only disclosed on Monday. The nature of the evidence has not been revealed, but was disclosed to defense attorneys after Monday's cutoff. Chad Daybell's attorney, John Pryor, has pushed for months to sever the trial. He believes that the outcome of the DNA evidence could have a profound impact on this case. While Vallow's attorney, Jim Archibald, says he's disappointed that the state held on to the evidence for an undue period of time. He says if Ms. Vallow had not waived her right to a speedy trial, we would also be asking for more time. State attorneys argue they turned over the bulk of evidence to the defense. They say the trial needs to stay together to avoid any inconsistent or unfair verdicts. With such a discovery, it's in the best interest of both parties to delay the trial. Judge Boyce responds asking, isn't the best remedy here to allow time for testing so we don't have to delve into speculation about what all of this evidence is? Judge Boyce ruled that because Lori Vallow had not waived her right to a speedy trial, the trials must be severed to avoid infringing on the defendant's rights. With the new ruling, Lori's trial will be moving forward as scheduled on April 3rd. Chad Daybell's will be determined at a later date. Both trials will take place in Ada County. In Fremont County, I'm Seth Ratliff.
Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you guys today. What do you guys think about them severing the ties between these two? In my eyes, they committed these crimes together. They ran off. They got married together. They deserve to go down together. I don't think that one hair is going to make one damn bit of difference if it's in the ground. Really? One piece of hair? I mean, I would hope not. I really would hope not for JJ, and Tylee's sake. But let me know what you guys think about this case in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you guys wouldn't mind, like I said in the beginning, if you could like the video for engagement, all of that good stuff. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. Thank you guys again for joining me for yet another upload. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.